Şimdi burada kendisinin gösteri hata da yükseklere kalkıyor.
I'm Serhat and I'm a journalist in Turkey in League TV. Mehmet Topal is a good player. Was a great career in the Turkey and in the Galatasaray Turkish champion. And he's playing so effort. He has so effort in the midfield, and he always running, he always pressing. If you compare with one player, I can show Gennaro Gattuso, like he's always pressing and running. His efforts never finish during the match. He's using the efforts during the match so economically. So I guess Valencia got a great transfer from the Turkish national team and from the Turkey, of course. He will be so successful in the La Liga.
María, con balón también. Vale? Molt bé, perfecte, gràcies. Played for Valencia in 91 years of history and members of his association. He was a player in the 90s and he was international with Spain. Vale, una foto. Vale. Vale, molt bé, gràcies. Vale.
Suerte y bienvenido, ¿eh?
Ese sería de madera. Ese sería de madera. Auténtica lágrima.
¿Te hacer una foto?
¿Para
vos solo? Sí, él tiene.
Mismo movimiento. Al del medio.
¿Vas a cobrar acaso?
Thank you, Topal.
Perdona, salí por aquí.
¿Os haces una foto? ¿Una foto?